Hi guys, welcome back to another quick video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a robot that you can actually use to place as many pending orders that you may want to have on your chart. Some people have been asking me about this. They want a way of placing pending orders. Why do people trade with pending orders? Sometimes people don't want to like go do analysis and all things like that, so they just want to have hedge their trades and have pending orders following the price. And you can also even use this robot for when you actually know the direction, or if you are actually analyzing and you kind of have an idea of the direction that your asset that you're going to be trading is going to take, then you can actually place pending orders in the way of price. For example, in the last video I had sell here, and I'm happy that we actually hit our first TP. I decided to just close that trade a while ago. So if you had that idea that price is going to come to this level, then you can place pending orders in front of that price, and then you just come and hopefully you would have made some money. So there are two ways of trading with pending orders. Either you can place buys and sells when you do not know where the price is going to go, or you can place price sells or buys if you know the price, the direction price is going to take. So before we waste any time, I'm just going to get this robot. By the way, the robot is going to be in the link in the description box below. If you want to test it out for yourself, it's going to be in the description box below, so find that link. As a word of caution, probably you might want to try it on a $5 account. My broker offers $5 accounts where you can test these things in real life market conditions. If they can make you money in real life market conditions, then you have got something that you can actually use on your hands. So sign up with my broker. The link is in the description box below. You just need to get a $5 account, and you can plug this robot and see if it can grow that $5. Why waste your time on demo if something is probably going to make you some money? In any case, I leave it up to you. So this is the robot pending order grid. We drag and we drop it onto our chart. So what you're going to notice is here you can set the starting lot size that you want. I've not majorly changed lot sizes in my robots. I usually try to keep them at 0.01 or 0.1 depending on the account that I'm using. So depending on the broker that you are using, maybe the minimum lot size is 0.01. For some it's 0.1. So I urge you to use the bare minimum lot size. Don't be tempted to want to become a millionaire in one day. Increase percentage, I think for now ignore it. Distance from price, ignore it for now. You might want to maybe play along with it later. Then space between trades, as our robot is going to place these pending orders. How many pips do you want between those trades? That's what we have there. Then number of trades, you guys, you want to become billionaires in one day. So number of trades here, maybe let's set it to 5 so that we demonstrate. We don't want to blow an account right in front of the people. So we're just going to place a number of trades 5, and maybe let me just increase that a bit so that we don't blow an account in front of the people. Take profit, you can set, I think this is in points. We'll see. I think this is in points. It's actually not 200 pips. This should be in points. Space between trades will be 20 pips, and take profit will be 20 pips. Stop loss, it's like way out there. Decide on what you want to do, but the trick is you don't want to be caught out easily with stop losses because you are placing so many trades. So maybe you might want to keep it at a zero, or maybe you want to make it a very huge number. Let's say 2000 or something like that. You can even have a trailing stop, then trade long, trade short. This is where you are not sure the direction your asset is going to take. If you are sure, then you can say, maybe if you are sure that we are in a buying trend, then you only want to have longs. If you are sure that you are only going to have sells, then you want to only have shorts as a true. Magic number, you can make it whatever you want, or you can keep it at 1. It doesn't really matter, and for the purposes of this video I'm just going to keep the long and the shorts are true. Then we come to this section here. Do you want to only buy or sell? Decide. For now I'm just going to demonstrate with both buys and short positions. Then yes, you are going to allow DLL imports, and you are going to allow live trading. That's all that you need to do. Let's add our robot to our chart. Let's go. Okay, nothing is happening. Why is nothing happening? Let me just drop down to the 15-minute time frame for now. Why is nothing happening? Now what's going to happen is we need to activate auto trading. Let's see the magic happening. You see, now we have our pending orders. So because we set 5, so now we have 5 buys, 5 buying pending orders, and we have 5 selling pending orders. So whichever way price goes, your pending orders might be triggered here. And these are the stop losses. The TPs, where are the TPs? Just want to confirm something. If my TPs are here, then probably indeed my let's look at this. Then definitely maybe my take profit is too far away. So that where I said this might be points, sorry, let me close that. Where I said this could be points, it might actually be pips. So just confirm that on your side, as well as maybe you might want to reduce the size of the space between your trades there, and you can basically play with these settings. Really, I'm not going to bother going much into that. So this is the robot for pending orders. You can basically set it to how many pending orders that you want. Maybe let's increase our pending orders to 20. So now it's going to place 20 buy pending orders and 20 sell pending orders. And maybe let's reduce size between trades to 100, and let's see what happens. TP, maybe let's reduce it to 100 again. I mean, play with this thing and see if it can make you money. Some people have been requesting this thing, so the link is in the description box below. See, now we've added in more trades there. Now trades are on top of one another. You can really, if you set this thing to say maybe 1,000 trades, you can actually cover your whole chart with pending orders, and as they get triggered, hopefully you start making some money, and it goes and goes and goes like that. So yeah, the link to download this is actually in the description box below. Tell me if you find a way to make this profitable, if it's something that you have been looking for. Otherwise guys, I will see you in the next video.